You won't believe what happens when you combine aluminum foil and a bag of water in your garden. This duo is the ultimate pest-busting hack. Cheap, easy, and insanely effective. All right, we all know aluminum foil is a garden superhero. It reflects light, confuses pests, and even boosts plant growth. But what if I told you there's a way to double its power? Grab a plastic bag and fill it with water. Yes, water. Here's why. When you hang these water bags around your garden, especially near plants or entry points, the sunlight refracts through the water, creating dizzying prism-like flashes that terrify flies, aphids, and even squirrels. Add a handful of shiny pennies to the bag, and suddenly you've got a disco ball from hell for pests. They'll flee thinking your garden's haunted by laser-wielding ghosts. But wait, it gets wilder. Place these water bags next to your foil-lined soil. The foil scares off ground invaders, while the floating bags zap airborne pests. Together, they're an unstoppable force. And guess what? The water bags also act as mini magnifying glasses, directing extra sunlight to your plant's leaves. Boom! Free photosynthesis boost. Pro tip: reuse old grocery bags and rainwater to keep it eco-friendly.